y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So as you can see, our Misfits box just arrived. We've got some things going on with the shipping situation, as you can see. And yes, we're gonna open it up and see what we got. We did get to pick exactly what we wanted in this box as well, just like last week, where it opened up for everything and we just go in and fill to our minimum. Now I do have my list up right here beside me so that I can review it and see if we got everything we needed. Like I said with last week, I did contact them about the tomato and the lettuce, and they made the situation right. I told them there were a few other things that didn't bother me so much, but what I did notice is a lot of my fruits and vegetables were spoiling a lot faster than they usually do. And I don't know if this is because of packing, freshness, or if it's just getting to that time of year, because I know with things in the summertime, they don't last as long in Louisiana once it starts getting hot. So they did very sweetly send me kind of a guide to say what to use faster than other times. You ready to open it up? Okay. Faster and to minimize the spoilage. So I was very happy with that, and it will be a good little reference. Truthfully, I haven't opened it up yet to see what it says, but it's going to be nice to have. So we're going to rip right into this. One thing I'm a little sad is it seems stuck to the information cards that I love. I know some people probably found them frustrating, but pull. I feel like they're going to tear. And there we go.
I cracked it out.
You cracked it out. Yeah, I see. So it did tear our little information card. And this is comfort food with a twist. It looks like the same one we got last week. And then chocolate beetroot pudding pot. So the same card we got last week.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's so nice. Oh.
It's so fluffy too.
It's fluffy too. Oh, let's see if we can get into this thing. It's all sticky everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Mom, plastic is
cut into this. Hold on so I don't cut you. There we go. Well, that's some hard work, huh?
You almost cut yourself.
I almost cut myself. Oh, we got 2 ice packs. I'm going to scoot it towards you so that we can see what we got, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All
All the way down. Woo. All right. We're going to pull our ice packs out and our little divider.
It's so heavy for me.
Oh, it's heavy for you?
Yeah.
Let's get that out of the way. And what else we got in there?
Whoa.
All right. There's one of our spinach. So we did, and our spinach looks really yummy. What is this?
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
I know.
So in our zucchini looks good because I taught you. We got another spinach, and that is accurate. Keep going. So let me move this out. We should have 2 spinach. Very big yellow squash. Very happy for that. It's a little soft right here, but that won't be a problem at all. Our pear. We like our pears.
Red one.
It is a red pear.
How could they turn red?
We have some red ones coming in there. So we ordered 2 yellow squash and 2 zucchini, 2 to 3 Bartlett pears. Whoa, that's a good size, huh? And it's nice and firm. No defects or anything. That's awesome.
Green one?
A green pear.
Wait, they were green the whole time?
Green and red. Keep going. So we ordered 2 to 3 Bartlett pears and 2 to 3 red Bartlett pears. Some mushrooms. Their mushroom prices were really good this time too. It's little button mushrooms, which we go through mushrooms very quickly. We did get 2 mushrooms. Awesome. Next. So let's see. I did order 2 packs of mushrooms. Brussels sprouts, which we again go through super quick. I think I ordered 2. I did. There we go. Now remember, pull this one on top first.
Okay.
Oh, so
Yeah.
So our romaine is a little bit rough, but the leaves look good. So we'll wash it, break it all up, and put it for salads. Our broccoli. Now it looks like something smashed into it because you got all the holes. for it. But the broccoli itself looks really good.
Whoa, this is cute.
Yay, our kale, and it looks nice and fluffy, tight curls.
Another one.
Awesome. All right, red pear. What else we got?
We did all the way ask for already.
What is this? Potatoes? No. Okay, we have a potato. What else?
That's a potato.
It is a potato. So I did order 2 of the spinaches. Another potato. Just 1 of the kale.
We didn't just order
All right, we
3
should have
potatoes.
ordered 1 of the romaine lettuce. We should have some more. There we go. Now I did order small russets and little whites. We'll wash them, okay? Or yellow potatoes. So we should have 2 to 3 russets.
It's like a rock.
Like a rock, our zucchini has got a little ding in it, but still good. We'll just cut that little piece out. Nice and firm.
Look at this.
Our butternut squash, and this is
Mama,
also to
I
replace
just
the one that went bad really quickly last week. And another butternut squash. These look really yummy, don't they? And this is exactly what Misfits is about. Weird, awkward shapes and sizes, but still very usable produce.
So heavy.
Whoa! Look great. Little dings, little dips, but no problems with that at all. And I ordered those 2 bunches of broccoli, so that works out perfect. These 2 to 3 yellow potatoes and
Mom,
2 to 3 russets.
Bacteria.
The bacteria. Now this is a tiny little onion. What did we did 2 to 4 count yellow onions.
Mom,
And
I'm
our red pears.
bacteria.
Judge it for our bacteria.
No, germs.
Germs,
Yeah.
yes.
We have to wash our hands.
So I should have 4 to
It's
6
germs.
of these russets and 4
Mom,
to
we
6
didn't just
of
get
the yellow
one, we got
potatoes.
2.
Let's see. We should have more. And then little yellow onions again. Our little russets. And let's see. Oh, our green cabbage. That's odd. It looks more like a Napa style cabbage to me with the type of leaves, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's just a really pale green cabbage.
Did we
That's
do
all right.
yellow?
Yep, we have some yellow pears. Let's see what else we should have. Some cilantro. Another pear looks really good. Whoa! See, and here's what we're talking about. Some smaller sized potatoes and jumbo. You get a mix of things, but they're still very usable look. Like they're nice and firm, so they're gonna be wonderful. Oh, there's our cilantro, huh?
You didn't look at it.
Smell. You like cilantro? Yeah. Oh, we got a messy box, but that's it, huh?
Yeah.
Say that's all, folks.
That's all, folks.
So this is our $30-ish box. I know I didn't go much over that $30, but we've got lots of things to stock up for down here. Do you want to start putting our potatoes away? But this is our box. We used up, as you can see, hold on. We used up most of our stuff already in our bin, and the pears are gone, the peaches were gone really quick, and we'll make our way through all of this really quickly as well. But thank y'all for joining us. Hope this gives you an idea of what you can find on their marketplace, and it's going to be a little bit different by everybody's area, but hopefully it'll give you some ideas of what you can get and for the price of what you're going to get too, because all of this for $30, I think we're on the right track. Hopefully as I get to the end of editing this video, I'll have a few pictures to show y'all of what we made with our stuff from last week as well. But as always, thank y'all for joining us, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Stop.